Master Outlook 2013 and elevate your communication efficiency to reach peak corporate performance. Take total command of your digital correspondence and time management infrastructure with precision and absolute confidence. As Peter Drucker said, efficiency is doing things right, while effectiveness is doing the right things. Reinforce your technical expertise with a comprehensive suite of 78 quizzes designed for your success. Our curriculum guides you through composing messages, mastering your calendar, and customizing your professional environment. Accelerate your career trajectory, as Outlook expertise is vital for high-earning management roles in today's market. Benefit from 18 structured chapters, 63 objectives, and 18 labs for real-world simulation practice. Invest $279.99 today to secure your future in office productivity. Take the final step in your professional evolution and enroll now to begin your transformation. If you need more details about this course, please contact our team at support@uCertify.com.